So today we're here at Akin Festival of Kochi Prefecture. So it's a relatively famous festival. We're here to look at the art. We're here to look at, well, it's my first Japanese summer festival, so they're taking me around and they're showing me what a festival is like. So this is Haruka, or Haruka. She's a friend from the school I went on exchange to, and this is Hina. Hina is also a friend.